Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be so exciting, I hope. It's my first holiday video. I am going to be decorating my room for Christmas today, and I figured I would just kind of show you guys how I decorate. I've done this the past, actually I think almost every year that I've been on YouTube, like during the holiday season. So I started listening to Christmas music about 2 days ago. I told myself to wait until most of the leaves were off of the trees because like when it's still like fall, I'm not so much in a Christmas spirit, but now most of the leaves are down. So I'm like, all right, it's time to decorate for Christmas. All right, so I just pulled out all of my Christmas decorations. I have these 2 pillows. In this big trash bag is just a white Christmas tree. And then in this bin is like all of my actual decorations. So I have another little tree, candles, like ornaments, just like all of my decorations in here. Alright, first things first, music. I'm gonna go with Christmas classics today. Okay, maybe this is just me, but I feel like this looks really, really good for a $22 tree. Alright, so I finished decorating. I absolutely love it. It looks so, so good. Here's a little overview. So I know you guys are going to ask, the white tree I got from Wayfair last year for like 22 bucks, which is a pretty good deal. All of my ornaments are from Target. The star's also from Target. Under here, that's just something that I wrapped last year as a decoration. The blanket, also from Target. The mugs, like I showed you guys, were from Target. This little sequiny tree, also from Target. Pillows from Target, blankets from Target. Other pillow is from Target. Same here, trees from Target, ornaments are from Target, the little tree skirts from Target, candles Target. That's a Bath & Body Works. And then that's the other little mug. This little Peace on Earth sign, I think I got at HomeGoods last year. This little thing, I think I got at Pier 1. The tree is from HomeGoods or TJ Maxx, one of them. And then this is a little card that my mom got in London last year. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me decorate. I know there wasn't like a ton to look at just because I don't decorate a whole bunch. Also, if you guys have any other like holiday, Christmas themed videos you guys want to see, let me know. I don't really know, I haven't really thought about any yet, so let me know if you guys have any specific ones that you want to see. Also, make sure you guys subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!